Hello there. This video is intended for viewers ages 8 through 80.
It's the TMD Science Show
With your hosts,
Tori Apodaca,
Megan Dias, and Devin Kennedy.
Today we're going to take a majestic journey through a cell.
Stacy here will be our transportation throughout this program. Let's get started.
Off to the mall we go.
I don't care. I love it. I don't care. I got this.
It's like we're in a big cell.
Hey look, it's a nucleus. The nucleus is a membrane-bound organelle. It has DNA inside of it, which wraps from histones. There's a double membrane, and this helps protect the DNA. The nucleus was the first organelle to be discovered because it's the biggest. The nucleus is like a directory because a directory directs people around a mall and its functions throughout the mall, just like a nucleus in a cell directs the functions in an organelle. In fact, did you know that a nucleus is only found in eukaryotic cells?
Wow! Look, inside the nucleus is the nucleolus. The nucleolus is like a certain point on the directory because it is found within the nucleus. The nucleolus is held in the nucleus and is usually spherical shaped. The nucleus is where the ribosomes are partially put together before they go through nuclear pores to the cytosol, and it is the location where RNA is produced. The mitochondria is like the food court because this is the place where people go to get more energy than the shopping at home.
I'm tired and have no inspiration to go shopping.
Here, have my Jolligens.
I just want to go shopping now.
Mitochondria is a fairly big organelle. They supply the energy for the cell. They are not found in prokaryotic cells, only in eukaryotic. They are the site of where all chemical reactions occur. They transfer chemical compounds and food molecules into ATP and a process called cellular respiration. ATP is needed in most things, and this is why there are so many mitochondria in the cell.
Hey look, it's a Golgi apparatus. The escalator is like a Golgi apparatus because they both transport things. The Golgi apparatus sorts and packages macromolecules for the ER for secretion, from the ER for secretion. It is a flattened sac that transports lipids. Also, it modifies proteins for export by the cell. Lastly, the Golgi apparatus is not found in all cells, but mostly in cells such as plant cells, granular tissues, liver cells, nervous tissues, and white blood cells. It is also called the Golgi body, and it makes lysosomes. Hey, look, Megan, is that a cell membrane?
Yes, the roof is like the cell membrane because it surrounds the mall like a cell.
Wow, that's interesting.
The plasma membrane gives the cell shape. They help to form vesicles. The two major things the plasma membrane does is give the cell shape and protect the cell. It is selectively permeable and decides what solids or liquids can come in. The plasma membrane, which is also called the cell membrane, is found in all cells.
Wow. Lights are like chloroplasts because they both capture energy. Chloroplasts contain DNA in two membranes. They store starch and fats. Chloroplasts also contain thylakoids, which are membranous sacs. Chloroplasts have a green pigment. They can be found in a variety of organisms, especially present in plant cells. They store energy in ATP, and the chlorophyll can capture energy from the sunlight. In photosynthesis, two sets of reactions occur, light and dark reactions.
Hey look, the mall and the parking structure is connected. Cell wall is like the parking structure because it protects the shopper's cars just like the cell wall protects the cell and the organelles within it.
Cell walls are located in the cells in plants, fungi, bacteria, and algae. It is located outside of the cell membrane. Cell walls help keep the shape of cells. They keep the cell strong and they protect the cell. It makes sure that during osmosis that not too much water enters the cell. Cell walls that are in plant cells are made of cellulose.
Cytoplasm is like all the stores in the mall because it takes up the free space here and contains all the organelles of a cell. Cytoplasm lies between the cell membrane and the nucleus. It contains the organelles of the cell, which are covered in a fluid called cytosol. Also, both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells have cytoplasm. Most cellular activities occur here, such as metabolic processes and cell division.
The rough ER is like Red Robin because Red Robin contains food, like the rough ER contains ribosomes. Rough endoplasmic reticulum is covered with ribosomes, making it look rough. While the ribosomes build up the amino acid chain, the chain is pushed into the ER. Rough ER plays a big role in protein synthesis and the packaging of proteins.
Ribosomes are like the food found in the food court because the food you eat contains proteins, just like ribosomes. Ribosomes, which are the site of biological protein synthesis, are found in living cells. Their job is to link amino acids together. Ribosomes use mRNA copied from DNA as a guide for determining the sequence of amino acids in a protein. They are found in the cytosol and rough ER.
Vacuoles are like water from a fountain because they both store water. Vacuoles are very large in plant cells but can be found in all cells. They are sort of like bubbles that store enzymes and metabolic waste. Some of this waste is toxic and must be separate from the rest of the cell. There is a membrane that surrounds a mass of fluid.
Lysosomes digest and remove things. Shoppers are like the lysosomes because shoppers buy the clothes and food and remove them from the mall and take them home. Eukaryotic cells contain lysosomes that are digestive enzymes. Their enzymes cause lysis or disintegration of certain materials. The enzymes are protein manufactured by ribosomes. They're packaged by the Golgi apparatus. They digest food particles. Smooth ER is like a shopping bag because they both store items.
The smooth ER is a storage organelle. It helps make lipids and steroids. Smooth ER also stores ions. It is attached to the nuclear envelope and helps in detoxification. There is only one in eukaryotic cells, and it is important in liver, brain, and muscle cells. The things made on the ER are sent to the Golgi apparatus to be taken out of the cell. Cilia are long, slender hair-like organelles. They are found in eukaryotic cells. You know it's cilia if they are short and there are lots of them. The outsides of organisms are covered with cilia. The movements of cilia organelles go through water to find or move away from predators. They are also found in your respiratory system. They help trap the bad debris you breathe in and then move it up to your throat to be removed.
Flagella are whip-like structures. They are present in locomotion. The movement can be resolved into effective and recovery strokes. On page 8 in the textbook, it states that by whipping back and forth, flagella can swiftly propel unicellular organisms or specialized cells in multicellular organisms, such as sperm cells.
The Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, and rough ER all work together. Ribosomes, which are located in the rough ER, make amino acid chains, therefore the chain is pushed into the ER. When this is complete, the rough ER pinches off a vesicle. The vesicle is a small membrane bubble that then moves into the Golgi apparatus.
Just in case you didn't hear, the nucleus is located in eukaryotic cells. The mitochondria is present in plant animal cells, but not in prokaryotic. The chloroplast is in plant cells. The plasma membrane is located in all cells. The Golgi apparatus is located in all cells. The cell wall are in both plants, fungi, bacteria, and algae. The ribosome is in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. The cytoplasm is in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic. The rough ER is in eukaryotic. The vacuole is in large plant cells, but also found in all. The lysosome
is an eukaryotic, smooth ER is only one in eukaryotic. The cilia and flagella are mostly present in eukaryotic, and the nucleolus is in eukaryotic cells.
Unfortunately, that is all the time we have for today. See you next time on the TMD Science Show.
See you next time.